I'm Shilpa Sharma from Dhangad. Today I'm with you going to discuss one more relevant topic and we will chit chat and we will understand the nitty gritties of the business and its model. So our topic for today is what support services are available during and after the business setup. So what are the services that you are getting during and after the business setup? So as we already know that business setup is not only the one aspect that you need to keep in mind. There are various aspects when you are starting up a business and when you are nurturing your business, then it's very crucial to have all those things at one place, right? Because it's not about the registration only. So what are the things that you are getting during the time of registration of your company? So first and very beginning aspect is about the consultation. It's very important that you need to understand your business model. Accordingly, you should understand the legal requirement related with the same. Suppose you are doing any business, so related with that, what kind of external approvals required? What are the basic documentation needed? What is the scope of your business? So all these things has to be taken care in a way. For this, you need a proper consultation from the expert team. So this is what it comes into the picture. It is not only about the registration of the license right away. It's about to understand your business model. So during the time when you are deciding your business perspective, then one of the expert team from Dhangard will guide you about the same. They understand your business model accordingly, not only for the perspective of the business, but for the perspective of your bank account as well. This is very important. Because in UAE, we already know that bank account opening not an easy cake to do so, right? So for that, understanding of your business, understanding the nature of your business and the scope of business is very important. What kind of documentation is required? What will be the scope of your business is very important. So first point is that consultation is very important. You should consider the consultation first before jumping into the right away for registration of your process. Second aspect, with all legal work, paperwork, and documentation related services. So this is very important when you are jumping into registration of your process, then what kind of approvals required from different ministries and authorities also plays an important role, right? So for that, you need to have a proper understanding. So this is why an expert from the particular department has to be along with you with whole the journey, what are the approvals are required for the same. Third point about your nurturing your businesses, how it will be nurturing, like you are employing any employee under your company. So employee related all the services will be taken care by the company itself. It's not, as I mentioned, understand your requirement as employee visa, right? Their residency. You need to hire a skilled person under your company, then you have to go through with all these things altogether. So if you're hiring a person, their paperwork, their approvals, and there are certain things that has to be mandatory when you need to keep in mind when you're hiring a person. Health insurance you need to provide to your employees, right? And there is job loss insurance also you need to file for the employees, so employees has to file. So all these legal work, you will, being an entrepreneur, you can miss those points, right? Maybe UA is a new market for you. Maybe you are from coming from a different economy or community altogether. So all those things very important and plays a crucial role when you are doing your businesses and nurturing. So rather than thinking about the legal side and the just understanding your business model and the requirement, you need to focus on expanding your business. So all these things will be taken care of by the company. Now, about the banking, which I mentioned, it's not an easy task to do so. So this is what you are getting throughout and during your journey of business. They will understand your business model requirement. Accordingly, they will suggest you the business activity, right? Based on that, your whole accomplishment of the business account will take place. Why is it important? Selecting of the business account is also very important because it signifies in what, in long term perspective, how the company will run, because you need to show the incomes, remittance, you will do the transfers, fund related thing. You have to guide, I mean, the people have to guide you all across. So the dedicated RM along with you will go through with all the journey. So you don't need to make any hassle. It will not be a tough job for you to understand your requirement. They will be along with you throughout the journey for making your process very easy. Now, what are the services that you are getting after the business setup? Now, the work is not done, right? You have just got a legal part to just to initiate your business. Now, what are the services that you are getting after that? So, which I mentioned, A to Z, end-to-end solutions you are getting. So, what are these end-to-end solutions? After the registration of your company, there is a networking portfolio as well, because we have registered already so many companies, and we are helping our clients so that we have a various versatile network of portfolio of the people. Those who have like-minded people like you, those who are running the businesses, can help you to expand and nurture your businesses. So on a weekly basis, we are having so many seminars as well in our business center. How it will help you? It will help you to nurture your business. You will talk about your businesses, and person will talk about their businesses, so you will understand each other's requirement, right? Here in UA, it's very important that you have a cluster portfolio as well as a good networking, because references gives you very good businesses. So it's very important. So this is a kind of support that you are getting, right? Networking. Now your portfolio of your company has to be there. So our team is helping you out with that aspect as well. How? Because once you have a company here, similarly, like you have seminars and webinars to be attending, so we'll help you to nurture your profile as well, all across, and the business related requirements. So this is what you will get after the registration of the process. Now, this is not only the enough thing that you are getting additional support as well, which is in terms of accounting. This is also a very important thing, because in UAE, you already know that corporate tax regime has been introduced so far, right? So all the companies have to abide by the law. They have to nurture their businesses and need to maintain the proper bookkeeping and accounting. So we have a various department, those who will take care for your all the services, from where the money is coming in, from where the money, where is it going, all the proper bookkeeping and accounting and filing of this as well. Corporate tax registration has to be filed during the financial year. So they are helping you out with that aspect as well. So, as to summarize, it is not only about the registration of the company, it's about nurturing your businesses, it's about expanding your businesses. So, company registration is just a one part. Other than that, you are getting banking account, company bank account, personal bank account, and corporate tax related things, as well as marketing in the sense of expanding your businesses altogether. So to give you a face value of your company altogether. So these are all the pointers which I had for you to discuss with you. What are the things you are getting all in all during or after the services of the business registrations. So I hope I was able to cover all those points. Similarly, related with that, if you have any queries further, you can comment down us below, and then you can contact us on our website. Thank you so much. I'm Shilpa Sharma signing off today. Thank you.